China just unveiled something that should terrify every military planner on Earth, and Japan's answer might be even crazier. While everyone's focused on fighter jets, the real war in the Pacific is about to be fought by AI-controlled drone swarms, and Japan just went all in on a gamble that could either save them or doom them. September 2025, China rolls out 5 brand new Loyal Wingman drones at a massive military parade. Nobody had seen these designs before. They're sleek, they're stealthy, and they're terrifying. These aren't your standard surveillance drones. We're talking combat-ready autonomous aircraft designed to fly alongside China's J-20 stealth fighters. The GJ-11 Sharp Sword can launch precision strikes, jam enemy radars, and operate completely autonomously using AI. But here's the insane part. China displayed footage of a J-20S twin-seat fighter controlling multiple GJ-11 drones simultaneously. One pilot flying the plane, the other commanding a drone swarm like some kind of sci-fi commander. And get this, China's building a 42-meter wingspan stealth drone, the GJ-X, bigger than a Boeing 737 with a 4-ton payload and 7,000-kilometer range. That thing can loiter over Taiwan for hours while coordinating swarm attacks. China's not just building drones, they're building an AI-powered aerial ecosystem. So what's Japan doing? Well, they looked at China's drone army and said, "We're not getting left behind." In November 2025, Japan conducted its first manned-unmanned teaming test. 5 AI-powered drones flying in formation controlled from a helicopter using tablets. Yeah, tablets, like an iPad, but for commanding killer drones. These aren't prototypes gathering dust. Japan's going full throttle. Mitsubishi Heavy Industries just unveiled the AR-MDC-20X, an AI-equipped combat support drone scheduled for test flights in 2025. This thing is designed to act as a loyal wingman for Japan's future 6th-generation GCAP fighter. And they're not stopping there. Japan just launched the Samurai Initiative with the US, a joint AI development program focused on runtime assurance technology. Basically, AI that can detect when it's malfunctioning and automatically switch to a safe mode, because nobody wants a rogue AI drone deciding to go full Skynet. Japan's also working on modular designs, drones that can swap between combat and reconnaissance configurations mid-mission. One platform, multiple roles. Smart. Okay, quick break. If you're watching AI-controlled killer drones become the future of warfare and you're not subscribed, what are you even doing? This is history being written in real time. Hit that button, because what comes next is gonna blow your mind. Don't miss it. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Why does this matter so much? Because drones fundamentally change the math of war. Traditional warfare is expensive. An F-35 costs $81 million. Losing one is a disaster, but a loyal wingman drone, $25 to $30 million. Cheaper, expendable, and you can build way more of them. Japan's betting that swarms of AI drones can offset China's numerical advantage. Right now, China has 300+ J-20s, and they're cranking out 70 to 100 per year. Japan can't match that with manned fighters, but with drones, they can flood the skies with hundreds of autonomous wingmen supporting their 147 F-35s. Here's the tactical genius. These drones extend sensor range, absorb enemy fire, saturate air defenses, and act as missile trucks, all while keeping human pilots safe. They turn one fighter into a mini air force. And in a Taiwan scenario, which everyone knows is the flashpoint, Japan can deploy drone swarms from bases on islands like Yonaguni, just 68 miles from Taiwan. Autonomous drones patrolling 24/7, ready to swarm Chinese forces the second they move. It's force multiplication on steroids. But there's a catch. Actually, several. First, Japan's timeline is tight. Their fully autonomous drones won't be ready until 2035. That's 10 years away. China's drones are operational right now. Second, AI safety. Runtime assurance sounds great in theory, but what happens when Chinese electronic warfare starts jamming signals? Can these drones still function autonomously in a contested environment? That's the billion-dollar question. Third, China's already ahead. They've been testing manned-unmanned teaming since 2022. They've got carrier-capable versions. They've got massive strategic drones. Japan's playing catch-up. And here's the kicker. This isn't just a tech race, it's a production race. China can outbuild almost anyone, even if Japan's drones are better. Can they make enough of them fast enough? Bottom line, Japan's AI drone gambit is bold, ambitious, and absolutely necessary. Because in the future Pacific War, whoever controls the skies with autonomous swarms wins. But the clock is ticking, and China is not waiting. If this changed how you see the future of warfare, smash that like, drop a comment, and subscribe. The AI arms race is just getting started.